by Keys. Welcome back live on CoinMarketCap blogs. We'll be looking at upcoming CoinMarketCap exclusive crypto airdrops. So the CoinMarketCap exclusive upcoming crypto airdrops listed for your ease, so you can find your next cryptocurrency token or assets airdrop opportunity here. So you want to check this out for latest upcoming airdrops. So we have Liquidos, LIQ token airdrop. We have Pando. We have DeFi, we have Tron. These are the projects and the number of winners they're looking for. So for Liquidos, they will be needing 20,000 winners for to give away a leak token. For Pando, they'll be looking for 2,000 winners to share their tokens. For DeFi, they will be giving away 5,000. They will be giving away the total tokens to 5,000 participants. For Tron, they'll be giving it to 1,400 participants. So the total airdrop amount for LIQ leak token Liquidos is going to be 100,000 leak tokens, which will be shared among the 20,000 users, and it's going to be starting in hours from now as of recording, January 26, 2022. While for Pando, they'll be sharing 1.73 million tokens, which will be shared equally among 2,000 participants. So it's starting January 27th, 17 hours from recording. Then we have an NFT giveaway airdrop, DFH, which will be starting in 3 days as of recording. So each user will be getting at least one NFT. And lastly, on to these upcoming airdrops. For January, we have a Tron. So they'll be giving out 288,888 THN tokens. And this airdrop will be starting 13 days from recording. That's February 8th. So you want to turn on your notifications so you get notified. You also want to click subscribe on our YouTube videos so you and turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads and other perks, crypto news and more stuff you can check up for the ones that are beneficial to you. Don't forget to give our video a thumbs up, subscribe. Peace out, guys. Your bye keys. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. And one love, guys, and see you in our future uploads.